So you just took delivery of your brand new Mavic 2 Enterprise. Got it out of the box, got it all set up, get it in the air, and you had an accident. Hey, it happens, right? Wouldn't it be nice if you had coverage that was included for free? Well, luckily for you, DJI has just done that. Stick around. What's up and welcome everybody. My name's Original Dobo. Here on my channel, I talk about drones, I talk about tech, and yeah, if that's your thing, definitely consider hitting that subscribe button. And if you're not following me on Twitter and Instagram, shame on you. You should be. Lately, it's been a hoot. Alrighty, so let's talk about this standard shield that's being offered on the Mavic 2 Enterprise lineup and the Phantom 4 RTK. Now, Shield is different than DJI Care Refresh because it's a little bit more forgiving. They obviously know that customers that buy Shield have fleets of drones, possibly multiple drones, so they get a little bit more of an enhanced quality and they work harder to get those drones back in the hands of those clients. That's why a lot of times they won't repair, they will just replace, because that's quicker than them figuring out the issue and sending you a new drone. They can do that after the fact. But with the standard shield that they are offering on the Mavic 2 lineup and the Phantom 4 RTK, by the way, this is Enterprise lineup only, it gives you up to 2 repairs at a small fixed cost, sort of just like DJI Care Refresh, but it's included. You don't have to buy anything additional. If you own an Enterprise product already and you just bought one of these drones, you're getting it for free. You don't have to activate anything. Your activation from your drone will already take care of it. Of course, you can still always opt to buy the enhanced Shield version, which gives you unlimited repairs or replacements, but it is really costly, I'll forewarn you, but this is pretty cool. I didn't know anything about it until we had our conference call this morning, and I was told that this was being added to the list of offerings. The other part is you can work directly with your dealer that you bought your drone from in the event of an accident, which makes things a little bit more personal, and you're just not going to find that with the consumer lineup. It's a convoluted process when you're dealing with Care Refresh, although it's nice to have. This is really cool that this is free and it didn't cost anything additional, but rightfully so. We are paying quite a bit, but again, keep in mind companies buy these in bulk, so just thought I would give you guys that in case if you bought one of these drones, you had an accident recently and you were left feeling like, man, what do I do now? Well, this was just added. I'll be sure to include a link in the description below where you can check out more information about this. And yeah, as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay original.